Welcome back everybody. Well, we have made it out. The rain has eased. As you probably see in the last vlog, it was not very nice. That's why we called it Wet and Wild in Garlieston and that, but it's still Sunday afternoon now. It's mid-afternoon. As I say, we've got a little clear spell at the moment, so we just thought we'd take Skye out for another walk and that. So right, I had a car stop there, guys, and that I thought they were going to drive into me and that, so yeah, we're going to head to the other side of Garlieston Bay. We've got the ball with us, have a little playtime and that, and then yeah, we'll see whatever comes along really and that. So if not, we'll probably combine this into day 4 and that. We want to walk a bit more of the coastline around Garlieston Bay, which is the opposite way to Rig Bay, which we went this morning, so we'll take you on our journey. You can probably tell it's still quite windy and that, as I say, the wind hasn't dropped, but at least the rain has eased and we're not getting wet. We've still got the old shorts on, no waterproof trousers today, well this afternoon. We've got our Mac on and that, but yeah, at least we're out and about. Garlieston right in the distance there, guys. We're probably halfway around Garlieston Bay at the moment. Still windy and gusty. This guy's saying come on, throw the ball, so we'll keep walking. And what's that thing in the sky? It's trying to come out. For a minute. sure whether it's a used road or not. We're still heading around the bay. No parking. What does that say? Beyond this point. So we're going to head just up this path. It says in about 3 miles. Well, we're not going to do that. We're just going to literally see where it heads, and then if we want to come back tomorrow, we can. I'm not sure where this is the best approach. It's all a bit overgrown and stinging nettles and that, so we'll just see if it gets any better as we go a bit further up, but I'm doubting it. My shorts are soaked already. Skye, I think we're going to have to go back. Let's go back. Right. That's a shame, and we're looking forward to going to the other side of the bay from this end and that, but it's too overgrown. Maybe if we had some long trousers and probably a stick, push the stingers out the way and that, but we tried. Right, so that's slightly scuppered. You probably could walk around the bay a little bit more, but it's starting to get a bit rocky and the sand starts to disappear. So we're going to head, drop back on the beach, more playtime with Skye and that, so it looks like out of the question to come back this way tomorrow, so we'll probably end up at Dumfries Bay again. Right, back on the beach. Extremely windy again.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under.
Right, this is very windy, storm force I would say at the moment. Oh, I'm going to jump to walk into the wind.
This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race.
now. We had a little birthday playtime with Skye. I think she's enjoyed herself. Always happy when she's on the beach, on a ball, near some water. Portion of the vlog now, guys, and as I say, we'll probably put this in with day 4, which is Monday, and that, and I think we'll be walking to Riggs Bay again. As you can see, the sun is just starting to come out. If only the wind would drop and that, but at least we're not getting wet. So bye for now, guys, and we'll see you as and when. Right, guys, we'll come out for another walk tonight. We'll come on the country roads again, and lo and behold, in front of us we've got Galloway House, and that I'm not too sure how far we can get up, but we'll certainly go up to the gateway. There is a sign on the gate, probably says private property or something and that, but we're going to have a quick ganders. Galloway House. Right, can't see nothing in there. Up here. What a lovely, beautiful building. We won't go any further. Right, what a beautiful building. Right, we'll leave it here. No. Right, that was a great find tonight, guys. Nice little private pond here. Skye's just taking me round. Right. That's as far as we can go, Skye. Let's go back now. Right, Galloway House.